Hello everybody, welcome back to Woodness Goodness and welcome me back. I've been gone for a while. I went to Nepal. I got super busy with my job. If you don't know, I'm a video producer for some race car drivers. Happened out there.
Well, we just sent it. And then...
So that kept me pretty busy. But now I'm gonna try and pump out some consistent content, I promise. So here we are, the new homestead. My wife and I bought this place with our in-laws. They're gonna live in it. We're gonna fix it up and make it look absolutely sweet. Got my safety glasses on at all times, my flannel, and I'm ready to work. So we got tons of projects in the works currently, and we're gonna be doing some cool furniture builds, some DIY kitchen renos, DIY bathroom stuff, DIY closet. We're gonna just DIY the heck out of this thing. So I'm gonna try and pump out as many videos as possible, and hopefully you guys stick around and enjoy this. Please give me thumbs up and comments and subscribe if you're not already, and just let me know what you think. So let's take a look at the house. So as you can see, this house needs a lot of work. Well, you might actually think it looks cool, but we think it needs a lot of work. We're gonna update as much as we can. We're gonna tear down some walls, repaint the whole thing. We've already done a lot, as you can see. It's ongoing, but you guys haven't seen it yet because I've been trying to film the entire process. So I will try and explain some stuff. I might do some voiceovers. I might just try and walk you through it, or I'm just gonna show you a time lapse of how I did it, and feel free to ask me as many questions as you want. I'm gonna try and release as many as I can, maybe once a week, maybe twice a week, maybe every day. Probably not every day, I'm pretty busy, but anyhow, hope you guys get the vibe, get the feel for what we're gonna do here, and hopefully you guys hang on tight and hop on board for this sweet DIY adventure. So thanks for stopping by. See you later.